Hello mga ka-VA and welcome again to our channel, Virtual Assistant Life. Dumadami na ang ating videos and sana magkaroon na rin tayo ng ibang content soon. Marami-rami na tayo. But for now, this is day 6 of our Filipino VA's house. And as usual, start kami with my dog and our current house. And I'll leave it with our personal.
Day 6. Yeah.
What?
Have to fix it.
Careful.
Yeah, they are always.
Oh no. Careful.
Dad,
Madapa ka. You might hit the dog. You're fixing it.
yeah, why are they fixing it? Now we're going to our street routine. What's our old street now?
18. 3 streets away, yeah.
Oh wait. I want to know either.
Maybe someone's there. It's okay. You knock. Maybe it's locked. Oh, it's locked. Nobody's there. We need to get the key. Nobody's there. Oh, careful.
Nobody's here.
Maybe they went home.
That's it.
Or they're at the back.
Huh?
Maybe they bought something. I don't know.
I thought they were going to fix
They put the
another
slab. No,
Put into.
let's get the key.
Yeah.
They still have the key. We need to get the key.
You look Korean.
Why?
I don't know. Where are we trying?
They're just talking. So we need to go back and get the key because maybe they had to go home. Careful! What? Stop pointing! Careful! Ayan po ang mga manok. You stay here na. Oh, don't go far, ha? Need to get the keys. Look at our old house. I think they went home. Old keys. Yeah. Where did I put that? Oh, oh, where is the key?
Looks like Mountain Dew.
There's the key.
Okay.
Give it to me. It might fall. Give it to me. It might fall.
Yeah.
You might.
You're recording.
You might hit. I not hurt yourself. Huh?
It's a key. How is it hard?
Oh.
It's a hard key.
So take two
Yeah,
of
take two.
day 6
On day 6, yeah.
because
They weren't here.
yeah,
We brought
maybe they worked
keys.
yesterday, but
They should leave a message.
no, it's okay.
Okay. How is this gonna match? How's this gonna match?
But then, day
Why do they
2
have a hole there? Why would
for the dog.
why would they put it there if they are just gonna bark?
So the dog can see who it is. If they don't know who the person is, they will bark. Oh, nice. They're also
Is a motorcycle braking?
what? Also fixing their house.
What?
Looks good now, the white one.
They just need to paint and stuff like that. They don't. How are they living while doing this?
Yeah.
What are they planning to do?
See ya.
Oh, I guess they're not on teams anymore because enemies.
Wow! Wala yan!
What's this more say? I'll do it. Oh, no, like this.
What?
Wait, you need to turn it. Oops, wait. There.
The card. The key back.
Oh, careful. There are a lot of ano. Oh, it's so quiet. Put the key. Why? Yeah. They have to go home maybe to their houses. Oh, wait.
Doggy. Where are you, doggy? We can see you.
They're putting the slabs already.
Doggy.
Dogs are not there. Let's go. Careful. I'll lock this now. Oh yeah, it's higher na. Can I see?
No, maybe because he's there.
Yeah. No, because can I see? Wait.
I can't see it.
There.
Where? Doggy. Ah, there. There. There.
So high na.
Oh, there. He noticed us. Yes.
Oh, they went up here na. Day 6.
Day 6, yeah. Good at that.
Yeah, it's higher na. It's definitely higher than yesterday.
Yeah.
Yeah. There. Remember yesterday they had they didn't have the black thing,
Yeah, but
and
the
also
bricks.
the window wasn't too high. Let's go and close it. So maybe they'll be back on Monday, but we'll still do this tomorrow. Let's just talk about the plans for tomorrow. Yeah, maybe because they need to go home to their families. Wait for me. There. Now it's really close. No. Yeah. Oh, this is the gate. This will be the size of the gate. Oh, wait. Careful.
Oh my god.
Where? Yeah. Oh, careful ah. Ah.
I didn't know it was that there.
Need to lock it again.
Day 6, locking.
Oops.
Oh, wait, you didn't need to unlock it.
Oops. Can you
What
move
is
the camera?
happening? Okay. Okay, yeah. It's locked. You can see the mark on it. You left it slippery.
Careful. This, that is there on the,
That's from the balcony, huh?
yeah. Oh, that's there on the 6, 2 hands na. 2 hands. Day 6.
What if it goes to 20 or 11?
I don't know. Let's hold the cardboard. And then you write the number. It's bouncier. Oh, just 2 shots at a time. Just 2 shots at a time. 2 shots. When you get the rebound, you have 2 shots. So here is the conclusion again of this video for day 6. And kita nyo naman, nag-basketball pa yung anak ko towards the end. And again, the summary picture. So picture of the door, outside. Ito na yung pinaka inaantay namin na sana talagang matapos na yung dalawang extension sa harap at sa likod. So ito, unti-unti nang tumataas yung walls para maikabit na siya doon sa second floor. And ito yung sa loob from the kitchen. Ito na yung back view and yung wall na pataas na ng pataas again because of the purpose of the extension. And here is a top view of what you see. And itong sunod ay I think top view of the front extension, and that is the gate. And so maliit lang siya, door gate lang siya. Yan yung view niya pag galing sa loob. And then this will be my workroom actually as a VA. So mga ka-VA sana, ang sarap din kasi magkaroon ng sariling room lalo na pag nag-work ka as a virtual assistant. And again, so yan, day 6 for my son. And that wraps it up. And then I'll do this summary again, day 1, when it was turned over to us. So, wow, kita-kita pa yung let me reminisce day by day. And ito na, tinatayo na yung mga poles nga in day 2. Nakakatuwa lang pala makikita yung sobrang difference. Tapos pataas na siya ng day 3. Syempre, unfortunately, hindi ko mapakita yung likod dahil hindi ko siya mapicturean na um, kung ano yung style niya nung day 1. I'll try pala for the next parts, the front and the back. Medyo mahirap lang dahil nga hindi siya buo. Syempre hindi naman ako makapag-picture dun kasi may kotse dun sa may bahay din dun sa likod namin. So here's day 5 and leading to day 6 which is today, nagkaroon na siya ng mga slab at unti-unti siya nagka-slab and that is where our video ends for today. Again, thank you for watching. Kung may nanonood man in the coming years, Virtual Assistant Live, thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe.